Disassembly tips. Ensure that you take the following precautions when disassembling a unit. Label each cable as you remove it, noting its position and routing. This will make replacing the cables much easier and will ensure that the cables are rerouted properly. Keep all screws with the component removed, if applicable. The screws used in each component can be of different thread sizes and lengths. Using the wrong screw in a component could damage the unit. If the unit contains light-sensitive components such as motherboard, memory module, CPU, hard disk drive, graphic card, store the component in its original ESD packaging to avoid damage. Please read the description below for more details about tools used to removal and replacement, static electricity.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless module, solid-state drive, hard disk drive assembly, right trunk, right support bracket, right fan, left trunk, left support bracket, left fan, system board, display panel assembly, and display bezel. Removal. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board and remove. Using a flat, non-conductive tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Remove the webcam board. Replacement. Place the webcam board onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place. Insert the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.